Hey guys, welcome back to the landfill. Now, Blitzen and I have a little bit of babble to do about John Deere. Now, you can see how excited he is to make a video for the first time in a week. Now, this isn't a ham radio video because we'll do that hopefully next. Yeah, and you'll see why I put it off. I'd like to thank a few people here. And look at this. Now, guys, if you're a mower guy, welcome back. Well, welcome to my landfill, my dumpster of a channel that I like to call your town dump. Sorry for shaking. I've got my anti-shake turned off because the video quality goes to shit if I turn it. John Deere, check it out, man. Offered to fix it for the lady across the street. I grabbed it and I pushed down on the handle. It's like, damn, that thing's light. Got looking at the deck. Again, damn, anything's fiberglass. Then I went to pick up on the handle and check out how heavy is the rear. Oh, holy shit. No kidding, man. Got looking at the SN. Oh, I see. 1/4-inch plate stale, huh? No, I'm going to set you up here. Hang on, man. Okay. Now, if you're a mower guy and you've never been to my landfill of a channel before, like any town dump, a lot of garbage there, a lot of bullshit, a lot of bullshit, and the occasional buried treasure. And before we get going, let's get some light on the subject. Now, the video quality is shit, and the subject matter, yeah. Hey guys, if you're a mower guy, all I ask is that you be nice to one another here at the dump. Don't trash talk one another, man, or I'll trash talk you. Now, you can trash talk me, I'm fair game. And I'm not going to take issue with you in the channel. You say what you will, man. Just be decent to one another. Be good hams. Be good mower guys. Before I get going, I'd like to toss out a few thanks, man, to jcwildwood, mmrbeef, the Manic Mower, Michael TJD60, iSaveTractors, Garden Tractor Garage, and Mike Starcher. You guys are the best. You taught me everything I know about Jed. Now, we've bullshitted long enough, and what do I want to talk about is the front PTO clutch. I started screwing with it even though it worked fine. I watched a video that suggested 18 thousandths for the gap. And so, having stolen my son's field gauge, I decided to check the gaps. I wasn't happy with them, and I screwed with it, and now then the clutch would only engage when it was cold. After I mowed half the yard and disengaged the clutch, it wouldn't re-engage. So I started screwing around with it and said, okay, I'm going to set the 3 gaps at 18 thousandths. And what I did, guys, I had the belt off at the time, and with the gap set at 18 thousandths, I grabbed this front pulley and tried to rotate it, and it dragged. And I thought, oh no, I can't. That gap's way too tight. Either that or the clutch is screwed up somehow. And so I screwed with it, man. And I tried to do it with it under belt tension and with the belt off, and it didn't matter, man. if I started cranking the gap down to anywhere near 18 thousandths, once again, if I grabbed this pulley with a belt on or off, didn't matter, and moved it back and forth, it dragged. And I started thinking, oh no, do I have to pull the whole clutch assembly off and disassemble it and see what the hell? And see, all this happened after I broke my primary deck drive belt, okay? And I started thinking, damn, the belt shredded and it went whacking all over. And I started thinking, man, did the belt screw up my clutch? Did that $20 belt, is it going to cost me $300 or more for a new clutch? You know? And I was going round and round with it, man. And then last night while laying in bed, man, it hit me. Reset the gaps to 18 thousandths, which I did today. Round and round you go. It took me about 3 trips around before all 3 test points were at 18 thou. And then I grabbed my happy little rat socket, right? The same size that you use to make your adjustments. And I put it on the bolt on the nose of the crankshaft and I rotated it, and sure as shit, nothing, no scraping at all. And with that nice tight 18 thousandths gap, man, it'll engage just dandy like it's supposed to. Hot or cold, running or not, it'll engage. You can't grab the goddamn front pulley and rotate it back and forth as a test of your gappage. Hey, if you're a mower guy, if you come back to the dump again in the future, you're going to hear something probably a lot. Okay? You ready, guys? I pause you. And so that's all I've got for today. Dear Blitzy, now he gets bummed out when I make a video. He hears a version of Daddy he normally doesn't never hear. And, do you like my tripod? What an idiot, man. Hey guys, a question. I think I just gave you the finger. I'm sorry. Or as a Canadian would say, I'm sorry. Sorry. Hell, my brother Art's half Canadian. What's that make me? A better person, I suppose. Now, that's all I got for today. Not wanting to ever stop babbling, man. I really don't want to stop. Oh. Dear God, what a beautiful, beautiful machine. Can you hear my neighbor kid tapping out his beats? He's getting phenomenal. He's made spectacular progress this summer, man. He comes up with some nice beats, man. He might be about 12. Let him play till he's 15. He'll rock his ass off. I have a problem, guys. I have several of them, in fact. Right? I'm going to make another video about Jed outside in some good light, because I'm utterly confused, man. We'll talk about it a little bit more. But let's just say I'm confused by the question of, what the hell is it? I hope you're well. I'll talk to you in another video about the John Deere 318, and I think it's time, man. We better talk about my ham radio shit, because I avoid it. And it's time. Take care, 73, and be well. Bye now.